Okay, good morning class. Come girls. So at this point we're looking at data handling. This is our second lesson, also known as statistics, not so? So let's check where we are. We spoke about discrete, continuous questionnaire, population sample. We spoke about organizing data, obtaining summary statistics for the data. We spoke about measures of dispersion and measures of central tendency. Okay, we spoke about that in our previous lesson, and then we have the scenario here of a team of students who did some survey on two different petrol stations, or garages, convenience store at the petrol station. Okay. So we spoke also about the rating of the scale. We said that 1 is extremely poor while 5 is outstanding. And at this point we could already see from the offset that the convenience store A at the garage is much better in terms of service rating as well as appearance rating at this point. Okay. So we're looking at, let's take this off and I'll start again in terms of the calculation. Okay. So the question says calculate the mean, median and the range for the appearance and the service rating given by customer at store A. Did we do that calculation? Okay. So that's where we need to start today. Okay. So we said we're going to go with customer at store A. Alright, so we said that the mean is also marked with the X and a bar on top. That's a mathematical symbol for mean. Also known to us as our average. Okay, so when you work out your average mark, okay, this is how we actually work it out. We add up all your marks and we divide it by the number of subjects you have. So you have to work out your average for maths. You add up all your maths marks and you divide by the number of papers you run. Okay. So it's not always the case. Sometimes one paper weighs more than the other. Okay. So that has an effect. However, if the weighting is the same, then you can just add it up and divide it by the number of pieces there. Okay. So if you work out your mean, we're talking about the appearance and the service. So let's go with the appearance first. We're going to make the appearance in red. So the appearance is going to be, we said we must add 5 plus, we must add all of these numbers here. Okay? So 5 plus 4 is, that's 14, 18, 21, 25, 31, 32, 33, 43. I get 43. Is that correct? Okay. Why don't we just add in the calculator, okay? So it's going to be 5, because we're allowed to use a calculator now. No? So it's 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus... Huh? Did I type it wrong? 2, 4, another, how many 4s are there? 1, 2, oh my word. It's 2, 5, no? 3, 4, 5. What did I say? What was the answer? 43. Can you see that? Yes, so we go and we say it's going to be 43 divided by, now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. So that gives us an answer of, divided by 11, is 3,9. Which means to say that on average, it's very, very close to 4. Which means to say that over the 6-month period, okay, that the customer at store A feels good about the overall appearance over the 6 months. You guys understand? Okay. Then the next question was the mode. People, what's the mode? It's the number that occurs the most. So, importantly here at this point, we're going to arrange this data in order. Okay, let's go from smallest to largest. The smallest number is 2, then 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fours, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 fives. So let's look at the mode. So what is the mode? Mode is the number that occurs the most, or most frequent occurred number. And what number is occurring the most? 4. So the mode is? Okay. You guys understand? Then your median. What do we say? What is your median? The middlemost number. So we say the median. The 11 numbers, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So it's going to be the 6th number. You'll see now. You can either do that or we play a little game with ourselves, no? Put your fingers here. 1 on the 2 and 1 on the 5. In the exams you play games, no? Yes. You go there, 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 there. The 2 fingers will meet at this point, which will make that your median, the middlemost number. Okay? So your median is going to be 4. The range. What is your range? Highest minus the lowest. So the range of the data is going to be the highest value minus the lowest value. What is the highest value? 5 minus 2. So the range of these scores is ranging over 3. Do you guys understand? Yes, sir. Alright. So that was dealing with the appearance of the store. But the question was to also work out the service are given. The service given on the store. Not so? So what I want you to do is to calculate the mean, write down the mode, the median, and the range. Okay. You all know what to do. Okay, so I'm going to first write the numbers in order for you. Yes? No. But write it down so we know what you're talking about. So let's write this. It's going to be 2. The next number? 3. There's how many 3s? 1, 2. 2 3s. How many 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. And 4 5s. Why do you think I'm stroking the numbers out like it? You don't? Lose or forget to write one number down. Okay? So by stroking it out, I know I've accounted for all these numbers. It's easy to miss out a number because most of the numbers look the same. Not so? So by stroking it out, I know that I've accounted for all those numbers. Okay. Yes? Mean? Median? Mode, yes. Okay, that's a good question. She's asking, what if the numbers are equal? Like, in this case, 5 and 4 occurred twice, or the same amount of times the most. Then 5 and 4 will be the mode. What if all the numbers occurs once, there's no mode. You understand? But if there's two numbers that occur twice, then both numbers are going to be the mode. Good question? Alright, so I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to sort that out. If you have a problem, come to me now. With the maths, no? Not the lives. Right, you guys finished? Stop making jokes? Are you finished, Calvin? And I've seen that you got the Springbok Cup. So makes you the fastest. Oh. Vince. How come you got the stuff on your lips? Lip gloss. Lip gloss. Are you allowed to be lip gloss?
Yes.
For who you putting this on? Okay, you can. Love yourself, you're right, love yourself. Right, Jessica, talk to me, girlfriend.
I can actually.
You can actually, nice. That's why I'm asking you. Right, people, what does this add up on top?
44.
Okay, give Jessica a chance.
Oh,
4, yes. Mode is the number that occurs the most. 4 and 5 is the mode. The medium. The median. The median is the middlemost number. Did you play with yourself? Yes. What did you get? The little game you played. Yes, you got? 4. I'm playing wrong here. 1. Right? 4. Not so. Which is? Nice. Yes. Median, yes. Hey, all these good questions you're asking today. She's saying, what if there are 10 numbers and not 11 numbers? What would the median be then? Any good question? So if this was not there, so there's 10 numbers. So when we play that game with ourselves, if that one and that one cancels, not so? That one and this one. That one and that one. That one and that one. So there's 2 numbers in the middle. Then what do we do? Add them together. Yes, well done. And then? Yes. Absolutely. Sorry? She's saying, what if it's an even amount of numbers? How are you going to work out your median then? So what you do is, you get the 2 numbers in the middle, we add them together, and we divide it by 2. Okay? Yes. Very good question. Alright. I almost feel like this is going to be our best section.
Yes.
All sections in maths is like this. They're easy. If you apply yourself. Yes. We started off. We all started off nice.
And then it went downhill, so.
Why did it go downhill? No, it's not
It's
about. It's not about financial maths. You know what our problem is? I'm gonna tell you now. It's a holiday. I'm serious. Because what happened in the first term? Everybody did well. Right? So you went on a holiday. When you came back, we got this now. And listen, the first section we did factorization, we did equations, we did a lot of things. It was nice. It's still nice. But the holiday is the problem. You worked well, and then listen, we break when we die, man. Right. They must break like in now. Right. People, B. B says calculate the mean, median, mode, median, and the range for the appearance and the service rating given by selected customer at store B. So exactly what we did here. You're not going to do on store B. You all okay with that? So do your thing quickly. Sorry? This is now the second one. So I'm going to take this off here. You guys have it in your books. Okay? People, settle down. So now we're looking at B. Okay, then we're going to read through the rest and just carry on. Okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the numbers in order quickly. So the first number is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 4. Not so. So do your thing. Mean, median, mode, and your range. Right, by the sounds of it, you guys are finished. Right, appearance. Can I carry on? Still not. Yes. Yes, you can carry on to service given. Right. So let's go with appearance. The mean, median, mode, range. So when you add these numbers up, I get 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's 10, 12, 15. So it's 25, 29. Is that correct? 29 over 12. You have 12 numbers. Not so. Which gives an answer of 2, 4, 2. Okay, so the overall over those 6 months is approximately 2. Can you see? The median, the middle number, not so. Can we playing with ourselves again? That? Cancel, can, right? Right. So there's 2 numbers in the middle, not so? The 2 and the 3. Okay? So what do? Say 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Which is 5 divided by 2? 2 and 1. Okay? You guys got it? The mode? Number that goes the most, which is 3. The range? The highest value minus the lowest value. 4 minus 1 is?
3.
What do you think? Will it always be 3?
No.
No? What if the person didn't give ones at all, and it was 2s? It will be 4 minus 2, which will give you 2. What if this person only gave 2 and 3s? 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the range would have been 1. So the range is not always 3. You guys understand? Are you guys done with service given? Yes? Right? So the mean, the service given, the mean. Let's put this in order quickly. What did you guys get? 3 ones, 5 twos, 3 fours. No? How many threes? 3 threes. And a 4. Right, so the mean. Let's add up to 36. 26 over 12, which is 2, 17. 2,17. You guys agree with that? Alright. What's the median? The median is the middle number of sorted order, not so? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 numbers in the middle, which is 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 2. The mode. The mode is the number that occurs the most. 2 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 2 is the mode. Range. The highest value minus the lowest value. 4 minus 1, which is? That's the reason why she asked. Is 3 always going to be there? Yes? Okay, settle down. Just hang on. Yes? 20, is it 26 correct?
Yes.
So it's going to be 26 over 12. That's why I asked if it's correct. 2 comma? Oh, you see that this number, so that's 2 comma 166666, okay? So since we're looking at two decimal places, that 6 is dependent on that number. If that number is 5 or more, so to change the number. So that's how you get 2,16. Okay. Any other confusion? Yes, Michael?
So during the exams, for the median stuff, you have to calculate that way, or just go straight to the answer.
If you want to go straight, it's fine. But show it. It's nice of you to show. Okay. Anything else? No. B. Calculate the mean, median, and the range of the appearance and the service rating of a sample of 10,000 for store A. Alright, so I'm going to take this off here. Okay, so now I need that thing. Okay. So what happens here is, if it says calculate, some people, calculate the mean, median and mode. I wonder if I can put it on top of it. Yes. Okay, because I'm running out of space here. Okay, so it says calculate the mean, mode and median and the range for the appearance and service rating of sample of 10,000 for store A. So this is what we're looking at. Only that dot. Okay. So this is a bit different here. Okay. So if you're going to look at the appearance, okay, the appearance part of it first. The mode, the mean. So for the mean, how many ones do you have? 482. There's 482 ones. So what you say is 1 multiplied by 482. Okay. How many 2's do you have? So you're going to say plus the 2, 513 2's. Okay. How many 3's do you have? 1,808. How many 4's do you have? 1,192. How many 5's do you have? 3,000. How many people were surveyed? And divided by the number of numbers here. Number of people. Okay, so work that out quickly. Big calculation, but it's easy. Okay, so let's do this quickly. Come people. So let's just work out the top first. It's 1 multiplied by 482, no? So it's 1 times 482 plus 2 times 513 plus 3 times 1808 plus 4 times 4192 plus 5 times 3005. Sorry? Oh, I wrote 5. Sorry, thank you. So let's give you 38,725. 38,725 must be divided by 10,000. So that gives you 3,87. 3,8725 is 3, just write it over here. Will you guys understand? Okay. This is when we're calculating from frequency table. So you see the difference. Then it says the mode. So that's your mean. Let's put your mode. The mode is a number that occurs the most, not so? Now remember, 1 is occurring 482 times. Okay? 2 is occurring 513 times. 3 is occurring 1,808 times. 4 is occurring 4,192 times. 5 is occurring 3,005 times. So which number is occurring the most? Yes, 4 is occurring.
So what you're basically doing is you take the number and then you times it by how much it's occurring and then you put it.
Yes, correct, absolutely. The sum of it divided by 9. So the mode is the number that's occurring the most. And what number is occurring the most? 4. 4 is occurring 4,192. So what's your answer? The mode is 4. Easy. Not so? Then what's the next question? The median. What is the median, people? The median is the middle number of sorted data. Is this data in order? Yes. Do you have the 1s, then the 2s, then the 3s, then the 4s, then the 5s? So is this data sorted? Yes. So, what is the median? The median is going to be the middle number. Not so? Now how many numbers are here?
5.
Now how many people? 1,000. 10,000, sorry. We got sitting 10,000 people. Not so? So the middle person of 10,000 will be what? The person standing 5,000. Is there 1 or 2 numbers in the middle? 2. So the person standing 5,000 and 5,001. Those 2 people is in the middle. Not so? So if we now consider all the ones, how many people have I considered thus far? We have only considered 482 people, not so? If I consider all the peoples with the ones and the twos, it's going to be then 482 people plus 513 people. So I've considered at this point 995 people. Can you see that? Which means to say the person standing at 483, which is the next number here, till 995 is all the people who chose twos. Can you see that? At the end of this class, how much have I then considered? How do I get that? I'm going to say plus 1,808 So 2,803. Alhamdulillah. Which person are we looking for? The person standing at 5,000 and 5,001. Not so. At the end of this class, how many people have I considered? So you say plus 4,192. 6,995. Can you see that? Which means to say, if I put all these 10,000 people in that row, okay, that first group is going to be with the ones. It's going to be 482. No? From the first person till the last person choosing twos, I considered 995 people. From 996 to 2,803 is all the people choosing threes. Can you see that? The very next number, next person, 2,804, all the way to 6,995 is people who chose fours. But what do you notice within that group of people? We'll get the 5,000th person and the 5,001 person. Not so? Both chose 4. Add 4 together, divided by 2 is going to give you 4. So the median is. Okay. Well, what do you think is going to happen if I add this number to that? They're going to get 10,000. Okay. So that is 10,000 in total. Then they ask us the range. How do you calculate the range of this data? Highest value minus the lowest value. So what is your highest value here? Is there people who chose 5s? Yes. Is there people who chose 1s? Yes. So what's my range? 5 minus 1, which is 4. So the range is 4. You guys understand? What if there was no people who chose 1? It will be 5 minus 2. You guys understand? What if there was no people who chose 1s and 5s? 4 minus 2. What if there was no people who chose 5 and no people who chose 2s? These people who chose, it's still going to be 4 minus 1. Irrespective, because there's nobody who chose 2s. Still going to be 4 minus 1. You guys understand? So I'm going to give you a chance quickly to work out the service rating quickly. For this, we'll do that quickly. We don't have much time here. Quickly, no? And then I'm going to give you some homework. Is there anybody that's confused? Okay, this will now sort out the confusion. So do this quickly. Yes?
You can't see the
Sorry? I can't see. Can't. Okay. Look in your textbook, Moss. Jessica? You always look like you were sleeping. Yeah, you gave me a shock. You're special. And I hear that the students say you are sleeping. I know you weren't sleeping. I can see you weren't sleeping. And I know what you do in your sleep. Huh? No, it's not the farting, I'm talking the snoring. And it's a joke, no? Right. People, you guys finish? Come be quick about it. Yes. Come Valeju? You right? I didn't speak to you in a long time. Sorry? Lost. Okay, so you must work out the mean. So what we do? We're gonna work out the mean for these numbers here now. Ne? Only that. So what do we say? 1 times 891 plus 2 times. Alright. So do your thing. Quickly come. Okay. You guys got it?
Yes.
Yes? Did you hear from Rodia? Okay, so for your mean, it's going to be 1 times 891 plus 2 times 1105 plus 3 times 2905 plus 4 times 3089 plus 5 times, I'm going to put it here at the back. You know it's behind the calculator. 5 times 2010. And I must divide this by 10,000. What did the numerator give you, Ms. Plodden? Sorry? 3,42. You all agree with that?
Yes.
Right. Then it says the mode. So the mode is the number that occurs the most. So 1 is occurring 891 times. 2 is occurring 1,105 times. 3 is occurring 2,905 times. 4 is occurring 3,089. 5 is occurring 2010. So which number is occurring the most? 4. So 4 is the mode. Not so? Then the median. The median is the middle number of sorted data, not so? So 10,000 divided by 2 is 5,000. So the person standing 5,000 and 5,001 is what I'm considering. At the end of this class, I've considered how many people? 891. 891. At the end of the class 2, I've considered 1,996. At the end of the next class, I've considered 4,000. Won't be 9. 4. 1,996 plus 2,905. Yes, 4,901. You are right. 4,901 plus 3,089. 799. 0. Which means to say the person standing 5,000 and 5,001 is in this category. Not so? So the median is 4. What's my range? The highest value minus the lowest value. Right, people, for homework. Okay? Tomorrow we'll speak about the stem and leaf display for group data. But for homework, I want you guys to do exercise 1. You do number 1 number 1A. Exercise 1A, sorry. B. You do A and B. Okay. And that's on page. Exercise 1, A and B. Okay, that's on page. Which page are we on?
290.
We're on page 291, so it's 292. 296, page 296 in your textbook. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good afternoon, class. I think.